Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A very disappointing team performance by Team Pakistan at the Cricket World Cup 2023, which is taking place in India. Uh, I don't know where to begin. Our team played really bad. Even at the start of batting, it was very slow, and later on, Shukar Iftikhar played a very good and fast knock. Then we somehow we can say it was a defendable total, but with the bowling and fielding, absolutely they were all over the place. Especially the fielding, they didn't have a clue what to do, how to do it. Last match against Australia, we lost because of one bad uh, fielding. The catch which was left by Osama Mir. It was shame. It was Warner, and he was dropped at 10. And later on, he went on to score 163 runs. It hurt us a lot. And this time around again, it was the fielding as well as the bowling. But let's hope our team plays well, makes a good comeback in this World Cup. Obviously, we want our team to win. By the way, well played, Afghanistan. We already knew that Afghanistan is a very good spinning side as well as up the order. They are very fast. They are very fast batters. So well done to them. Let's hope we can win the remaining of our matches. Good luck.